Okay, for this part of the course, Automating Inequality, or how data has become a weapon of math destruction, I'll be starting by talking about some really prominent kind of canonical works now about how data discriminates and how it automates inequality. So I'll be introducing the broad ideas to talk about how AI, algorithmic, data-driven systems reproduce already existing inequalities and discriminations and marginalizations, but also transform them and replicate them in other interesting ways as well. And then in the second and third parts, we're joined in both of those by the amazing Tao Fan, who'll be talking about her work on race by proxy and testing in the wild, which are two of the specific journal articles that I've set this week. And that chat will kind of give you the background to be able to kind of understand some of the conceptual basis for those and to be able to understand those readings, I think, in a clearer and better way.